The new wall sockets just came. We're going to replace the old single ones with these modular ones. We're going to just put 2 wall sockets. They will be without grounding.
With this part
Facing down. It's quite hard to snap it in place, but when you put it in, it is not coming out. We use these double length connection boxes for the wall sockets, and we use these because they have screw holes at all 4 sides, and even if one of them breaks off or something happens, you still have 2 other holes for each side to use. For light switches, a simple length, this is double length, so this big, is also enough. Now we're going to bridge the connections, and remember, we officially use 1.5mm thick wires for LED lights and illumination, and 2.5mm wires for connectors with 16 amps breakers. And if you want to connect very power demanding devices, for example fridges, etc., then we use 4mm thick wires with a 20 amp breaker. Now we're going to connect these wires to the wires in the wall. Be very careful that these screws are tightened all the way, because imperfect connections will get very hot and can even cause fires.
And now we change this with this double. This is a 20 years old power socket. Now we check if there is current in there. It's okay. We stop the current, and now let's see what is inside. This is a very old aluminum cable, and this is a very old socket. We need to change this. This is the old communist type socket, and this is a new, made of ABS, and the new power socket is with screws, not with this type of tightening system. This is wood or paper, or I don't know what it is. This is from need to be very careful to not to break these old wires, but we need to take out this old metal thing. Finally I take out. By the way, we need to repaint the room anyway, so I don't care if I do some mess. And this is finally, after hard working, this is a bottom part. We need to break this part because here we have the cable in. Make a bigger hole to fit in like this, and now we best way to match, to pair the aluminum wires with the chopper one is the Wago. Okay, we are done. Let's try if it works. Let's see the color. A little hard to get out, to get in, because there is a child lock, and when it's new it's a little trickier. Work both ways. Okay, let's put the glass. Okay, and we are done. When we painting, we took out just this part, and we paint and put back.